Supervolcanoes are a category of volcanoes with the potential to produce exceptionally massive and explosive eruptions. These eruptions are characterized by the ejection of enormous volumes of volcanic material, far surpassing the scale of typical volcanic eruptions. Supervolcanoes can have profound global and environmental consequences due to the sheer magnitude of their eruptions. Here are some of the world's notable supervolcanoes. Yellowstone Caldera, United States. Yellowstone National Park in the United States is home to one of the most famous supervolcanoes on Earth. The Yellowstone caldera is characterized by a massive depression covering about 2.2 million acres. While the last super eruption occurred approximately 631,000 years ago, Yellowstone remains an active volcanic system. The Yellowstone caldera is closely monitored for signs of volcanic activity, but the probability of a catastrophic eruption in the near future is considered low. Nevertheless, the impact of such an event could be devastating regionally and even have global repercussions. Toba Caldera, Indonesia. Toba Caldera is located on the island of Sumatra in Indonesia. It is known for one of the most significant volcanic eruptions in Earth's history, which occurred approximately 74,000 years ago. The Toba eruption ejected vast amounts of volcanic material, resulting in a volcanic winter that may have contributed to a global population bottleneck among early humans. While Toba is considered an active volcanic system, the likelihood of another super eruption in the near future is deemed low. Taupo Volcanic Zone, New Zealand. New Zealand's Taupo Volcanic Zone is home to several supervolcanic calderas, with Lake Taupo being the largest. The Oruanui eruption, which took place around 26,500 years ago, was one of the most massive eruptions in this region's history. While the Taupo Volcanic Zone experiences frequent volcanic activity, the occurrence of super eruptions is rare, and their prediction is challenging. Campi Flegrei, Italy. Campi Flegrei, located near Naples in Italy, is another supervolcanic system. This caldera has experienced numerous eruptions throughout history, with some of them being large and destructive. While there is volcanic activity in the Campi Flegrei region, predicting the scale and timing of future eruptions remains a complex task. Valles Caldera, United States. The Valles Caldera, situated in New Mexico, is a relatively well-preserved supervolcanic caldera. It is part of the Jemez volcanic field and has seen multiple eruptions over its geological history. The Valles Caldera is not currently exhibiting signs of imminent super eruption activity, but it is monitored to better understand its behavior. It's important to note that the classification of supervolcanoes and the prediction of their eruptions are challenging tasks. While these volcanic systems are closely monitored by scientists, the likelihood of a super eruption occurring in the near future is generally considered low. Nevertheless, their potential for widespread devastation necessitates ongoing research and preparedness efforts to mitigate the impact of such events should they occur.